आज हम PGT 2019 का क्वेश्चन पेपर सॉल्व करेंगे। इट्स फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज पैटर्न कॉफर्स apparatus is determine the rate of. Its right answer is respiration. Second question, all flightless birds belong to superorder Ratidae. Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve is located in Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Karnataka only. Modified form of Zuia larva is mysis. Our next question is completely free movement of fishes between fresh and marine water without the purpose of breeding is called as एम्फीड्रोमस माइग्रेशन। समुद्रीय एवं अलवणीय जल के बीच बिना प्रजनन के प्रयोजन से मछलियों का स्वतंत्र विचरण कहलाता है एम्फीड्रोमस माइग्रेशन। द रेशियो बिटवीन एक्सपेरिमेंटल एंड ऑब्जर्व्ड रिजल्ट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय chi-square test. Synaptonemal complex is found in which stage of meiosis? Its right answer is zygotine of phase first. Which year declared as International Year of Biodiversity? Its right answer is 2010. The average weight of which of the following boots is heaviest? Its right answer is देवदार। Our next question number 10. क्वेश्चन इसमें शो नहीं हो रहा, पहले हम 11 करते हैं, मैं बाद में 10 करा दूंगी। Which of the following is the smallest RNA? Its right answer is mRNA, rRNA, tRNA, hnRNA. What is its right answer? tRNA is the smallest RNA. Family Cucurbitaceae belongs to order of Passiflorales. The micronucleus of Paramecium is, all of you know, diploid. The enzyme fatty acid synthetase complex is made up of 8 units. How many units? 8 units. Our next question is conjoint bicollateral open vascular bundles are found in stem of Cucurbitaceae. Very important question. The book of Origin of Species was published in 1859. In the seismonostic movement of Mimosa pudica, leaps involved in turgor pressure. Oxygen hemoglobin dissociation curve will shift to right on decrease of pH. Which of the following is non-coding RNA? micRNA, hnRNA, snRNA, all of the above. Clear it? Our next question is bladder worm is found in muscles of pig or cow. All organisms were classified into 8 kingdom of 2 empires by Cavalier-Smith. Primitive streak in development of chick embryo is formed after incubation of 18 hours. Which of the following genus has been divided into 2 genera named Haploxylon and Diploxylon? Its right answer is Pinus. Which of the following is not a halotype? So its right answer is Eichhornia crassipus. Our next question is which era is regarded as the age of mammals? Very important question. So its right answer is Cenozoic era is the age of mammals. Pyramid of energy in pond ecosystem is always upright. Xenobiotics refers to vaccines. Primary productivity is maximum in tropical rainforest. One fibril of cell wall is made up of 250 microfibrils. 250 microfibrils. Our next question is the glomerular content of proximal tubule in comparison with blood plasma is. Its right answer is isotonic urine. What is called as reverse genetics? What is called as reverse genetic approach? Very important question. Its answer is from DNA to phenotype. Who coined the term ecotype? Charason. In poisonous snakes, fangs are modified. Very important and easy question. Maxillary teeth. Which of the following blot procedure used for the detection of DNA? Southern blotting technique. Northern blotting is used for the RNA detection. Okay, and Western blotting is used for protein detection, and Southern blotting is used for DNA detection. Is very important question. Vivipary generally occur in Wucheria. Tihri Dam is constructed on which river? Bhagirathi. Which of the following rule explains that the extremities such as tails, legs and horn of animals are shorter in colder region? Its rule is known as Jordan's rule. Which of the following is related to study of phylogenetic tree? Cladogram. Very important question. Our next question is which of the following properties of type 2 restriction endonuclease make them very useful in the field of genetic engineering? Its answer is A option. They cleave DNA within the recognition sequence. It's right. They require no ATP. It's always right. They recognize a palindromic sequence of 4 to 6 base pair long nucleotides. So its right answer is all of the above. Next question is a symbiote system moves two types of molecules in opposite directions. Which of the following aquatic biomes has the highest primary productivity? Right answer is coral reefs. Blue baby syndrome caused by impure water of nitrate. Very simple and easy question. Our next question is making of a web by the spider is an example of fixed reaction pattern. A radially symmetrical invertebrate animal with differentiation of tissues only will be placed in Cnidaria. PCR cycle is also known as C3 cycle. Plastids that synthesize and store fat are elaioplast. The alkaloid reserpine is contained in the roots of Rauwolfia serpentina. It's very important question. Our next question is in plants, Agrobacterium rhizogenes causes root proliferation. Milk protein casein is coagulated by renin. RENNIN, renin, not RENIN. Right answer is renin. Plants with latex and unisexual flowers are found in Euphorbiaceae. In bony fish, reptiles and birds, the cleavage is meroblastic superficial cleavage. Smallpox is caused by variola virus. Smallpox variola virus के कारण होता है. Our next question is, vessels are found in ephedra. Axolotl larvae excavate both neoteny and pedogenesis. Which one is commonly called as reindeer moss? Its right answer is Cladonia rangiferina. 4 kinds of skin colors are found in rabbits, namely albino, Himalaya albino, agouti and chinchilla. Because a gene can have more than 2 allelomorphs. Which of the following process is related to soil formation? Laterization, podosolization, gilgation. So its right answer is all of the above. Our next question is, which statement is true? So its right answer is, in chordates, blood flows posteriorly in dorsal blood vessels. In the region of sarcomere where the actin and myosin filaments overlap, which of the following number of actin filaments surrounds each myosin filament? Its answer is 6. In gram-negative bacteria, the basal body consists of a central core equipped with L and P ring on outer side and S and M ring on inner side. Ventricular systole is stimulated by AV node. It's very important. Our next question is, in Philadelphia chromosome, the translocation occurs between chromosome 9 and 12. Placenta in mammals is formed by chorion. Inner ear of Agnatha have only how many rings? One semicircular canal. Father of Indian plant embryology is Professor Panchanan Maheshwari. What is common between earthworm, leech and centipedes? They have ventral nerve cord. Which one is not a larval stage of starfish? Planula. Match list first and list second and select the correct answer using the codes given below. Endangered, white seeds, vulnerable, amber seeds, rare, green seeds, out of danger, red seeds. Its right answer is A. Apoplast symplast concept was given by Munch. E. Munch. Very important. Which of the following immunoglobulin molecules is largest? IgM is largest immunoglobulin molecule. Androgynophore is present in Cleomygynandra. In which adaptation to aquatic life is secondary? Its right answer is all of the above. Whale, seals and porpoise all have adaptation to aquatic life is secondary. Which one of the following fetal membrane functions as embryonic urinary bladder? Allantois. Nucleus is absent in sheep tubes. Very basic question. In invertebrates, the hemoglobin is present in erythrocytes, leukocytes, blood plasma and thrombocytes. So its right answer is blood plasma. Our next question is, exogenous poisons are those that enter the organism from outer environment. Longest cell of plant kingdom is found in Kara. Found the odd man out. Its right answer is Ali 50. In which species of Chlamydomonas the cells of Palmella stays develop hematochrome and become non-motile thick-walled hypnospore? Its right answer is C. nivalis. Capitulum inflorescence is found in Aziratum. Our next question is, RL model of DNA was suggested by? Its right answer is C. Which one is called a birth hormone? Oxytocin. In which of the following family C3, C4 and CAM plant species are found? U4BAC. Which of the following diseases caused by protozoa, bacteria and virus in that sequences? Sleeping sickness, diphtheria and hepatitis B. Its right answer. Mitochondrial DNA of human cells is not. Its right answer is of parental origin. Is not. In which genus Seta elongates up to 50 mm and becomes almost transparent at maturity? Palea. Which of the following glycosidic bond is found in sucrose? Alpha 1, beta 2. Which of the following represent the probability P of an event which is certain? Its right answer is P is equal to 1. Next, the developing fruit of Cocos nucifera contains milky fluid. It is both A and B are correct. Nuclear endosperm and liquid syncytium. One hemoglobin molecule carries 4 molecules of oxygen. The process of determination of the sequence of genes on a chromosome is termed as chromosomal mapping. Double circulation of blood in mammals refers to the process is completed in 2 turns, one from heart to lung and back to the rest of body from heart. Our next question is, the food chain that starts from plants and goes from smaller to larger animals is? Its right answer is predator food chain. Next, United Nations Conference on Human Environment was held in Stockholm in the year 1972. Silica for the formation of siliceous spicules is extracted by the sponge from the sea water. Our next question is, which of the following plants produce green spores? Equisetum. Next, aerial respiration in Phyla occurs from pulmonary sac. Naturally occurring enzyme lysozyme is found in saliva and tears both. Elateria cardamomum belongs to monocot. When the expression of a gene changes due to presence of another gene, it is called as epistasis. Our next question is, root knot disease is caused by fungi, nematodes, mycoplasma and virus. Its answer is nematodes. Metamorphosis in cockroach regulated mainly by Corpora alata. Which genetically engineered microbes used in production of human insulin? E. coli. Mother of pearl is known as nacre. Next, a botanical name in which specific epithet repeats exactly the generic name is called tautonym. Mountain zone of Western Himalaya floristic region extends from. Its right answer is C. Some ecologists prefer to call the green plant as transducer in place of producers. Ozone is present in large concentration is stratosphere zone. Angular divergence in Pantaceous phyllotaxy is. Its right answer is B. Cynandrous stamens are found in family Cucurbitaceae. Consider the following statements. Its right answer is only 2 is correct. Stain used for gram staining is crystal violet. Custard apple is a aggregate fruit. Amphipholyc siphonostele is found in Marsilia. Duplication of which region is expressed as var I character in Drosophila? Its right answer is B. Next question. Isobilateral arrangement of spores in spore tetrad is reported in which plant? Riccia personi. In angiosperms, the megasporangium is represented by embryo sac. MAT hemoglobinemia is caused by nitrate fertilizers. Origin of seed habit can be traced from which plant? Slazinella. The blood capillaries of intestinal villi cannot absorb fatty acid and glycerol. Phenomena of triple fusion is reported from Oedogonium. Hercogamy is found in Calotropis. Fucoxanthin is main pigment in Ectocarpus. Gynobasic style is found in Lamiaceae family. Okay.